Lord, you might embrace the left of society. Sight to the blind, with lay down silences, rise and walk, resist forgiven. I believe a mission to seek after the homeless. I'm bringing good news to all of the hopeless. No responsibility, no message is right. And every poor person is a face of Christ. I believe in the one who gives his life on the cross.